Hello and welcome to your reading class where we are talking about the J letter today. Okay, so on its own, it's straightforward. It's Ja, J, G, Jo, Ju. Okay, that's how you read the J in Ndebele. Then we're going to add the N to it and see what happens. Okay, so first of all, the simple part, the Ja, J, G, Jo, Ju. Here are some words for you. Number one, Ijaha. Which means a young man, okay? Ijaha. Moving on, jabula, be happy, okay? Jabula, okay? Right? We also have ijambo, which is a boot, a shoe, right? Ijambo. Ijazi is another one, a jacket. We say ijazi. Great. Ijele, jail. Okay, some of these words were, just taken from English and then the spelling was changed up just like that. Ijele. All right. We also have isijeza, which is a special kind of pulp that's made from sweet melon. Okay, we either call it inobi or isijeza. Then lastly, juma. Juma means take by surprise. Okay, juma. Now, we're going to add the N to the J, and this is what comes out. Nja. Let's do it together. Nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. I'm sure you can hear the N there. All right? Nja. So the simplest word you can think of with this syllable is inja. A dog. Inja. Okay? We also have injuzi, which is a mermaid, okay? A water mermaid, yes. Injongo. Injongo is an objective, okay? Injongo yami, my objective, all right? Then we also have the word Ndebele, which is a famous mountain in Ndebele land, Zimbabwe. All right, so that's the J. Let's continue to do the reading exercises and get you to master your pronunciations as a Ndebele beginner. All right, see you in the next class.